Welcome back to AutRev Pulse. The 2026 Kia Seltos starts at $23,790 for the base LX front-wheel drive model, not including destination. Kia has really carved out a solid spot in the compact SUV world with the Seltos. It's one of those vehicles that feels like it punches above its price point without trying too hard. The brand's identity these days is all about bold design mixed with a ton of standard features and that impressive warranty, and this latest Seltos carries that forward nicely. From the outside, it's got that tough, boxy stance that looks modern without being over the top. The front end stands out with those sharp LED headlights and the signature grille that gives it some attitude, especially on the higher trims where you get the full star map lighting setup. The proportions are spot on for a subcompact. It's not too tall or stubby, and the black cladding and available two-tone colors add some personality. Around back, the taillights tie everything together cleanly. One small thing. The wheel designs are nice, but on the base models they feel a bit plain compared to what's on the SX. Step inside, and the interior quality is genuinely impressive for this class. Materials feel upscale, soft touch surfaces on the dash and doors, and even the cloth seats on lower trims hold up well. Higher trims step it up with Syntec synthetic leather that's comfortable and easy to clean, plus those dual panoramic displays that make the cabin feel tech-forward. The layout is straightforward. Big touchscreen for infotainment, clear digital gauges on most models, and physical buttons for the climate controls, which I always appreciate. Space is solid up front, and the rear seat is surprisingly roomy for adults on shorter trips. Legroom and headroom are better than you'd expect. Cargo area is practical too, with a flat floor and enough room for groceries or weekend gear. The only minor gripe is that road noise can creep in a bit more than in some rivals, especially on coarser pavement. On the road, the driving experience is pretty balanced. Most trims come with the 2.0-liter four-cylinder making 147 horsepower paired to a CVT. That setup is smooth for city driving and gets decent fuel economy, around 28 to 34 mpg depending on if you go FWD or AWD. It's not thrilling, but it's refined and predictable. Step up to the SX trim, and you get the turbo 1.6-liter with 190 horsepower and a 195 pound-feet of torque hooked to an 8-speed automatic and standard AWD. That one feels noticeably quicker, better for merging or passing, and the torque makes it more fun without sacrificing too much efficiency. Handling is confident, with good steering feedback and minimal body roll for what this is. The available AWD with the locking center diff adds real traction when you need it, like in rain or light snow. Tech-wise, Kia loads this thing up. Even the base model gets an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus forward collision avoidance and lane keeping assist. Move up and you get the bigger dual 10.25-inch screens, navigation, wireless charging, and more advanced driver aids like highway driving assist and blind spot view monitor. It's all intuitive and responsive, no major complaints there. Safety features are strong across the board. Standard forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and rear cross-traffic alert on most trims. Higher ones add surround view cameras and adaptive cruise. Kia consistently scores well in crash tests, so you feel secure. Everyday practicality is where the Seltos really shines. It's easy to park, visibility is good, and features like the power liftgate on upper trims make loading up simple. Fuel tank and ride comfort make it great for commutes or road trips without feeling punishing. Overall, the 2026 Kia Seltos is a smart pick if you're shopping compact SUVs and want something stylish, feature-packed, and backed by one of the best warranties out there. It's best for young families, first-time buyers, or anyone who needs AWD capability without jumping into a bigger, pricier vehicle. In a segment full of options like the Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30, or Subaru Crosstrek, the Seltos stands out for delivering so much value, bold looks, and genuine fun on the turbo models, all while keeping the price approachable. If you're cross-shopping, definitely put this one on your test drive list.